Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a powerful automation process. The name is file upload with auto email function. This can save your time and streamline your data management with auto email function. So I will give a brief about this process. If you want to upload the document against any specific person, so you can upload the file and any attachment directly into the Google Sheet without the help of Google Form. And later you can send the email to a specific person by choosing the checkboxing. So let's start this. For creating this process, we need two things. One is Google Sheet. Second is folder in Google Drive. Just I have created this, upload files from Drive. So let's rename the tab project, and you can customize the column headings as per your requirement. Just I have write here name, email ID, link of attachment, right? Date and time of file upload and mail sent checkbox. So let's open the app script. So I have created two scripts. One is project.gs and one is index.html. It is for custom HTML form where we will upload the file. So let's configure the columns in script. A for is name. It is very important to configure the range for whom the file will be uploaded in the drive. Just say, let's enter the name here, James. So let's copy the folder name that I have created in the Google Drive. Copy this, go to your script and paste here so that it will retrieve the file ID into Google Sheet from Google Drive automatically after running the script. So let's check name A to A. All right. Email ID in B column. All right. C to C where file URL will be captured from Google Drive, and E to E where checkbox will be marked for mail sending process. So let's run the script. I have created the custom menu, so you can customize this as per your need. Go to custom menu, open sidebar. It will open the custom HTML form, as you can see. As I have entered the data here in column A, it will automatically show in the data validation and in the drop down list, as you can see. So let's upload the attachment for James. Choose file, select the image and upload. Got it. So my file is uploaded in the drive under this folder, and URL has been automatically captured here. Let's open the image. Yes. Moreover, it will also capture the date and time of file upload, as you can see. So let's close the sidebar. So I want to send the email to James with this attachment. For this, I have created a template worksheet here where we can configure the subject of email and message of email. Like I have already configured this. Document received and email message. And I am using the placeholder here to fetch the name of from the A column. So let's test the email function. First, I have to select this. If you select this, then only can mail will be shoot. Go to custom menu, send emails, and finish the script. Go to email. Let's refresh. Yes, I have got the mail. Subject is document received. Let's check. Yes. And here's the email message with a name. And here's the attachment that retrieve in the Google Sheet from Google Drive. Here it is. So you can upload the file or any attachment against this data, and you can send the email to them. You can also send a bulk email by selecting the option here. So here's the script. I will give the link of this Google Sheet where you can customize the scripts and the custom form as per your requirements. And you can expand the columns here, but don't forget to fetch the unique ID like this. I have using the name here so that the URL can be saved against this data and easily retrieve the URL in the column C against this data. So here's the script. So I'm giving this link and this URL of the Google Sheet in the description box. If you face any problem to configure this tool, you can simply comment down, right? Before we go, I had like to ask you for a small favor. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. We have got a lot of exciting topics lined up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you. Bye.